Okay, y'all, we are going to learn how to use MyFitnessPal to find the calories and serving sizes of the food that you will be tracking onto your meal plans for this assignment. So go to your search browser, type in myfitnesspal.com. So if you're not already a member, you're going to have to sign up with Facebook or with an email. But if you are, we'll take you to this page. Click on the Food tab, and then click on the database. It'll take you to the search bar, and this is where you can search any food. So let's search something. Let's search a Whopper from Burger King. So you're going to go to this left column and search. So it has all the different kinds of Whoppers. It has the candy, it has Reese's Whoppers. Here, one Burger King hamburger. Go to the right side, 670 calories for one hamburger. So here you can drag down. Different options usually pop up, but there's not very many different serving sizes of a Whopper. There's just one. So let's do a piece. Let's do chocolate cake. I don't really have a specific one, so I'm going to click on the first one. This is 1 ounce, so click the pull down bar and click on one piece, 235. I can do whole milk. Make sure you click on it. 1 cup of whole milk is 146 calories. Let's do a Laffy Taffy. 4 bars, 1 mini, apple flavored. They have all the different kinds, and it usually tells you how many calories each kind is, but it's with the listed serving size. So yeah, that is how you use MyFitnessPal to find the calories in the food that you're going to look for.